My name is Ivy Thompson. I'm the program director for Science Loves Art and 4th Street Studios. I manage the studio here. We promote local artists in the community so that they have a platform to display their work and potentially sell it. But our main goal here right now is our Science Loves Art kits, which are part of the Wyoming EPSCoR Microbial Ecology Grant. So we are basically the art leg of that grant, where we're promoting learning about microbes in Wyoming soil through art. So the Science Loves Art kits are our initiative to spread science learning through art across Wyoming. Our main focus, our main target is isolated communities, after-school programs, underfunded art programs, that type of thing. So our kits are meant to teach children, of all ages really. We have people from 6 to 96 doing our marbling kits. So they have the opportunity to make something beautiful while learning about microbes in the soils of Wyoming and also in our bodies. So basically the kits are portioned art materials. You get enough materials and inks to make 16 pieces of art and 4 cards. So you can get your greeting cards out for the holidays. Tell Grandma and Grandpa what you learned about microbes. And that's basically it. There's also some explanation of the fluid dynamics behind marbling itself, and then also the ancient craft of suminagashi, which is the Japanese marbling technique that we are sharing in our kits. So our Science Loves Art kits are currently funded by the Wyoming Arts Council, City of Laramie, and Wyoming EPSCoR. As a nonprofit, it does get tumultuous to just rely on grant funding, so we're actually moving more into retail as well. So everything at the shop is available for sale. We feature a couple of artists right now. We have Tara Pappas art, we have Laura Vietti's jewelry, Renee Williams, the studio owner. We have a lot of her cement work and a couple photographs and jewelry. So all of these proceeds are of course going to the artist, but then also a portion of it is going back into reinvestment of building more kits. So any type of workshops that we offer here at the studio, art experiences, all of the proceeds go back directly into investing in more supplies for these kits so that we can then distribute them across the state to schools or community groups that don't have the funding. So the main inspiration for the kits came from Renee, the studio owner's love and fascination with the images of microbes in soil underneath the microscope. And she kind of expressed them in a lot of different ways. She blew up her images under the microscope and displayed them in large-scale photos. She experimented with glass and put that underneath the microscope. Then kind of started experimenting with paint pour and marbling and alcohol ink. We offered them in studio and as art experience workshops, and then thought, well, what if we kind of portion these materials out into kits that can then be distributed across the state for the folks that we can't reach here in Laramie. So I think it was just due to the popularity and enthusiasm we had for them in studio that kind of inspired us to expand outward. Yeah, we're a little bit off the beaten path on 4th Street, so we're not directly downtown, but it's exciting. It's nice to have people come in, repeat guests, and get to know them and know them on a first name basis and know a little bit about their personal lives. And I think that's really special about a small community that you don't necessarily get in a larger city. So you can find out more information about 4th Street Studios and Science Loves Art on our website. It's sciencelovesart.org. We have a calendar on the website, and that shows all of our upcoming events, whether art experiences, workshops, private events, art parties, that type of thing. Any type of exhibits we have coming up with local artists. Folks are also encouraged and welcome to inquire on our website, where you can find our contact information if they are interested in hosting a party or exhibiting their own work or hosting a workshop.